Several years ago, I started NYSORA's YouTube channel, which now has 180,000 subscribers and over 50 million views. Just wow. And thank you for being a part of our success. Your feedback constantly reminds me of the joy and fun of growing this channel. This environment, surrounded by studio equipment, microphones, amplifiers, and lights, is my second home. My background in electronics, music, and sound system building makes this studio environment inspirational, where I immensely enjoy sharing our stories and making education accessible to everyone. In one of our future videos, I will get to the nitty-gritty of all the equipment you saw in the video and what it actually does. But until then, if you enjoy our videos, don't forget to subscribe for more. Until next time.